Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Habib and today we are going to be reviewing Kayali Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper 25. We're going to see what this smells like, where you should wear this, when you should wear this, who should wear this, whether you should even get this fragrance or not. And we're also going to take a quick look at this bottle and design. Without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Before we deep dive into the scent profile of this fragrance, just take a quick look at this bottle. This pink is really prominent. It has a very nice shine on it, an aluminum reflective shine. The pink is really subtle. It's not like a shocking pink or anything. It says Kayali Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper 25 in the front. That's a very beautiful cap on top of the bottle, which sits very snug and firm. Atomizer is a golden color. Ladies, this bottle is going to look fantastic on your dresser, on your counter, wherever you put all your fragrances. Let's deep dive into the scent profile of this fragrance. Launched in 2021, Kayali Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper 25 is an oriental floral fragrance. In the top it has pink pepper, as the name suggests, saffron, bergamot, and royal lily. In the mid it has Bulgarian rose and May rose, vanilla, and magnolia, and finally in the base it has amber, sandalwood, patchouli, and musk. Let's check it out. Beautiful atomizer. I love their atomizers, and wow, yeah, right from the start in the opening you are presented and blasted with this beautiful rose. It kicks in beautifully. A little bit of spiciness from the saffron, you can immediately smell it. Even though it doesn't have rose in the opening, but it has a lot of rose in it, and that rose combined with that royal lily are just giving this very nice, soothing, comforting floral scent. The rose is the superstar in this fragrance. It has a very beautiful mix of sweetness and rose in the opening. And as it settles, it transforms into this very comforting, soothing, soft, vanillic, a little bit of woodsy scent. Overall, from start all the way to the end, it's a very fantastic blend of all of these ingredients. It really gives you this wonderful, sweet rose opening. As it settles, as it matures, it kind of gives you a really Middle Eastern vibe of a female fragrance. Smells fantastic, smells really premium. I know Kayali uses some amazing ingredients in terms of quality, which is why, all in all, it smells fantastic. Because of the very high quality ingredients that Kayali uses in its fragrances, yes, longevity is there. This fragrance has amazing longevity. It's going to get you easily the entire day. In all of the tests that I've done, 8+ hours, no questions asked, no problems whatsoever. If we talk about sillage, it has an amazing sillage. It's going to linger around you, it's going to linger behind you, and when you spray this, I just sprayed it in front of you guys, it lights up the entire room. Smells fantastic. Ladies, you are going to smell fantastic with this fragrance. Honestly, any age group can wear this fragrance. It smells really nice. It depends how you carry yourself. However, I would say it's a little more for the mature ladies out there, all the mature girls, mature women. It smells really feminine. It smells very classy, and it's got a sweet, wonderful aspect to it. If you want to know what season you should wear this fragrance in, fall and winter time is going to be perfect. It's going to be amazing if you wear this in fall and winter. If you're going to wear it in summer, I'd suggest go a little light with the sprays. Don't do more than 2 to 3 sprays. In winter, you can actually even do 5 sprays. That's going to light up the entire room. In summer, if you do 5 sprays, it might get a little too much. It might get a little too dense. It's a wonderful fragrance for date night. I'd suggest wearing it in the evenings more than the mornings or the noons. It is one of those fragrances, if it's not your first fragrance, you are already into fragrances, you have more than 10 fragrances in your collection, ladies, and you're used to wearing fragrances, it is a very easy to wear fragrance. It's a fragrance that you don't really have to only wear to your date. If you can't figure out what to wear, it's got the versatility to just put it on and go stress-free. Final thoughts, I totally recommend this fragrance. It turns heads, it gets compliments, it's got the longevity, it's got the projection. My guys watching this video, take note, it's a wonderful gift option. If you're looking to gift your girlfriend, if you're looking to gift your fiance, if you're looking to gift your wife, it's a wonderful gift option. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel, like this video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this fragrance, whether you've tried it, tested it, how it works for you, whether you like it or not. And always remember, if you smell good, you look good.